Hello viewers, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change the photo, the image on your Gmail account. Before getting started the video lecture, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get the video tutorial started. In the very first step, this is your Gmail account. You have to go to this option and click on it. After clicking, you will get this box. Here you see a small image icon. Just click on this icon and you will get this dialog box. Here you can upload your image. I click on this and get an image from my computer. Click on the image you want to upload your Gmail account and then click on open. Now you are getting your image uploaded on your account. Now I will adjust some to keep the image small or large, and then click here, set as profile photo. Now you see you have changed the profile image on your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button on this video. Thank you.